Non-resident taxes in Spain. What does this mean for you? New proposals have been made by the Spanish government. You may have seen reports from various newspapers today regarding non-resident taxes in Spain. The Prime Minister of Spain has made some announcements. First off, non-residents will not have to pay an amount equal to the purchase price of the Spanish property. I just wanted to make that clear. When the President of the Government of Spain, Pedro Sanchez, talked about non-resident property owners paying 100% of the property taxes, he was referring to a measure that involves an adjustment in the tax regime for foreign property owners in Spain. This proposal is related to taxes that non-resident owners must pay for their properties in the country. This will not apply to people who are moving to Spain from, for example, the United Kingdom, the United States, or other non-EU countries. Because you'll be here, you'll be a resident, you'll be paying tax, you'll have a visa, for example, the non-lucrative visa or the digital nomad visa. In Spain, non-resident tax owners, those who do not live here habitually in the country, people who have, for example, a holiday home and are not tax resident, they already have to pay a number of property-related taxes, but in some cases, certain discounts or reductions are applied to the taxes they have to pay, compared to people who are resident in Spain. One of the measures that has been discussed on several occasions, and that Pedro Sanchez, the Prime Minister, has mentioned, involves eliminating those discounts for non-resident owners so that they pay the full amount, 100% of the taxes that apply to them, without any fiscal benefits. So what taxes apply to non-resident owners? Property owners in Spain, whether residents or not, must comply with certain taxes. The most relevant ones are the non-resident income tax. If a non-resident owner rents out property or receives income from it, they must pay this tax on the income generated. However, if there is no income, a minimum tax is applied for owning the property. Wealth tax. This is the tax levied on the net wealth of citizens, and non-residents also pay for their assets located in Spain. However, there is an exemption for non-residents, and this may benefit some owners. Pedro Sanchez's proposal could involve eliminating certain exemptions or increasing taxes for non-residents. EB tax. This is the municipal tax on property ownership, like, for example, council tax in the United Kingdom. Non-resident owners must pay this tax just like any resident owner, although it is not affected by the proposal to pay the 100% of taxes that Sanchez mentions. However, going forward, and back some time ago, the European Court of Justice declared that it was illegal for residents and non-residents to be treated differently regarding income tax. Could this be a new case to go before the European Court of Justice? We can only wait and see. It's possible that the measure for non-resident property owners to pay 100% of the taxes on their properties proposed by the Prime Minister could create a new legal case. If it's considered to involve tax discrimination against residents, if non-residents are treated more unfavourably, this could violate the EU rules on non-discrimination and freedom of movement. If this happens, it could lead to intervention by the European Court of Justice. Therefore, while the measures could be defended on the grounds of tax fairness or combating speculation, the legality of the proposal could depend on how it is implemented and the jurisdictions provided for it. At the time of writing, or the time of doing this video, the 13th of January 2025, this is not the law in Spain. It's just a concept that hasn't been developed. It's only an announcement made by the Spanish Prime Minister. It would have to be written into the Spanish law, the BOE, the BOI, for it to be enforceable here in Spain. And of course, here at Just Law Solicitors, we keep you up to date. You can contact us by sending us an email at contact@justlawsolicitors.com, or you can listen to the Move to Spain podcast and join the Move to Spain Facebook group. Apologies for not being completely clear. This isn't the law, it's just a concept that's going to be developed. We've been here since 1992 advising clients, and we can help you buy your property in Spain, get your Spanish visa, and file your Spanish taxes. Thanks for listening and watching to what's been a long video.